What's up friends, this is Sriram. Welcome to Sriram Creations. So in this video we are going to review and unbox a headphone which are again they're perfectly cool. And why headphones? Because we have unboxed TWS, neckband, earphones and also a Bluetooth speaker. So only headphones are missing in this entire list of audio section related products. So let's get started. Okay, so here we have the Zebronics multimedia headphone with mic and its model is Zeb-storm. So I'm not gonna delay anything. Let's directly unbox it and I'll reveal the product to you. Okay, so first here we have this tape. No need of a scissor actually. Okay, now let's open the other side. How do you open this? Okay, now revealing the headphones carefully. Okay, so here we have Hrithik Roshan for a cause. Okay, so this is the headphones and here it says the specifications of it. And the good thing is that it has 40 drivers, so the bass is gonna be super crazy. Now let me open this. How do you open this one? Okay, so here you have another piece. Now slowly, and by the way, these are wide earphones and I wantedly bought wide pair of headphones, wide headphones, so in case. Now these are the headphones and my first impressions having it in hand is they're soft, not super soft, not the softest that I have ever seen, but they're soft and they're well built, not extraordinary, but fine, just fine. So the physical overview of this headphone is, once when you catch hold of this one, it is not heavy, it is not light, it is decent and it is perfectly good. And you can actually increase the ear lobes, or what do you call this, ear cups. You can actually increase their size and you can also you can fold them. Yeah, so you can fold them, so which makes it much portable. And also you have this gimmicky big huge mic, which, so I'm not a big fan of huge mics like these because it kind of looks odd when you are wearing it. So that is the physical overview of these headphones. So as usual, as you know that these are from Zebronics, and let's talk about the audio, which is the most important thing. So coming to audio, there is bass. So I cannot tell that there is no bass, but it has decent bass, but not like the most the punchy bass like these both earphones. Actually these earphones are having crazy bass, so if you are like a bass lover, then go for these. Well, if you are here for headphones, then these are not for you because they are not having that punch in the bass. So that they have it, but they are decent. And especially the audio quality is very good and the audio loudness is also good. Especially the vocals, you can actually define the vocal very clearly, and every instrument is being played in the music. You can justify them, and especially in the audio section, it's very good. And the first the main downgrade that I experienced in these headphones is the comfort. So when I wear it, after about 10 minutes or so, not only me, my sister also faced this problem. She kind of feel irritated and we start moving the headphone, which again that is the comfort downgrade I don't know why, but I don't know if it is only for our ear, our head size and earlobe size, but I felt like that. And it's like it is not only with these headphones, it's obviously with all headphones because they actually cover up your head and ears totally, which obviously feels irritated and congested also. But once these ear cups are actually soft, but after 10 to 20 minutes wearing it, especially for long durations, if you are using it for long durations, then you might get troubles while wearing it. So the comfort over there, that's the only disappointment that I got, only due to the comfort of this. And the mic quality, so this, as I told you, this has a big gimmicky mic over here. It's super fat. Now the mic quality, why don't you guys hear it? So this is the mic audio quality test and from the Zebronics headphones. So how do you feel, guys? Tell me, how is the mic's quality or the audio out the mic. One more con from these earphones is that this thing, when you actually fold it, when this folding happens, there is some kind of noise which I really doubt about its durability. I don't know whether it would last for an year or so. I'm really bothered about it because it is made up of cheap plastic, so I doubt about the durability of this. But if you're like buying for purchasing for a small duration of amount, for example for online classes, then this would be a decent choice. So these actually I bought these from a nearby store. So they costed me around 450 rupees, which actually, when I filtered this total review with its price, then actually they are very good at that price point. And if you want to buy these on online, then they are around 650 rupees, which again does not make sense at all. It is not worth buying these headphones. And then which headphones should I consider? If you ask me the question, which headphones should you consider, then I would say Zeb Thunder. So Zebronics, this is the same Zebronics Zeb-storm, right? So there's another model called Zeb Thunder, and that Zeb Thunder, again, it is Bluetooth headphone, not the wire headphones. But the very good thing is that if you are out of battery, so it has around 9 hours battery life, I guess, that Zeb Thunder. And so if you are out of battery, so if your Bluetooth is now not working, they'll actually provide you a cable inside, so you can actually connect it to your headphones and then use it as a normal headphone, like a normal wired headphone. So that is really cool. And it is also like it's innovatives, right? So that may be a good decent choice for you guys if you are not willing to purchase a wired headphone. So those are priced around at 850 rupees. So if you are buying it online, you can actually find it for 850 rupees. And this one here is 650 rupees on online. And that one, Zeb Thunder with the Bluetooth headset, is around 850. So just 200, right? So it does totally make sense to get the Zeb Thunder. So I personally wanted a wired pair of headset, so I thought this was a decent choice. So I got it from a nearby store, as I told you, not on online. So for 450 rupees, this does make total sense. So that was the review. That was the whole Zeb-storm's review, and hope you like this review. And if you want to buy either Zeb Thunder or Zeb-storms, both purchase links are given in the description. So if you are interested, you can once look at it and you can purchase it. And now that's been it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do subscribe, because I have some very exciting and also entertaining stuff for you guys coming up in late this week. So it is going to be super exciting, and I'm super excited to shoot that video. And I'm not gonna reveal what is the topic of my next video, but if you do not want to miss that out, subscribe to Sriram Creations, hit the bell icon so you get instant notifications whenever I post that video. So that's it for the day, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the very next one.